Hi guys, it's Jack at Cooperb Motorcycles. Welcome to the motorcycle live show at the NEC Birmingham. Just want to have a quick walk around the stand this morning and also have a look around the new Himalayan and see what you think. So first one on the stand is the Rally Edition. So this bike has a single piece seat like you see here, slightly different seat unit panels. Handguards obviously, so he's got some nice handguards with the metal centre. The Rally one has the smaller of the crush bars with the sump guard, and obviously the headlight grille. So this is one of the higher spec bikes, so this one's got the tubeless wheels on it. So yeah, I'll let you have a look around, see what you think. This Rally bike's also got the Arrows silencer on, which is going to be a nice little addition, which hopefully should sound quite nice. So anyway, enough of me talking, I'll show you around and let you have a look. So the new Himalayan, as you know, is a 450. So this is a complete different engine. So this is now known as the Sherpa motor that's in this bike. So this bike's now got 40 horsepower and also 40 newton meters of torque. So this engine actually produces 70% of its power at 3,000 RPM. So it sticks with the traditional sort of Himalayan low-end torque and sort of usability. So this is a completely brand new bike. Everything on the bike is brand new. Nothing is from the old bike. So we've got a completely new chassis, shower upside down forks and rear shock, better brakes. Obviously this one's got the tubeless wheels and a few other little bits and pieces. So as with all the other Enfields, there's going to be lots of different accessories available. So the bike you're currently looking at is the Rally, and I'll show you the adventure one in a moment. So this is the Himalayan with the adventure kit on. So again, crush bars. These are slightly larger than the ones on the Rally. So crush bars, radiator guard, plastic sump guard on this one. Obviously the full panniers and top box, and a few other little trinkets as well. So the new Himalayan, obviously as we mentioned already, it's completely brand new. So it's got a completely new switch gear with a joystick on it to control the new tripper and dash system that's been developed with Google. So this is a sort of a world's first to have on a Royal Enfield. So yeah, we're really excited about that. Having had a quick sit on the bike and stand up, you can already tell straight away this feels a lot narrower between the legs than the existing bike, which should help giving you a little bit more control when riding on and off road. So we're already taking deposits on this bike, ready for delivery early part of next year. So yeah, if you're at the NEC, come and check it out. If not, we hope to have it in the shop early part of next year. So come over, check it out, say hello and see what you think. Couldn't give you a stand tour and not show you this. So this is the electric Himalayan that some of you have probably seen already online. So what do you guys think to this? Is this the future? Is the infrastructure there yet? When will it be there? What do you think?